Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 11th, and this is my PM video where we take a quick look at the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold on the 1 hour time frame for a quick recap for the day. If you haven't done so already, definitely do join my free Discord trading community linked at the bottom of this video or in the description. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to any of the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, euro dollar, yeah, I mean, definitely strong uptrend. I got it zoomed out quite a ways so that you can see the higher daily time frame Fibonacci levels. The next Fibonacci level is the 78.6, which is way below the 1.1 area. I personally don't really think we're going to see a significant pullback until at least the 78%. Now, we definitely could get some pullbacks, and I know a lot of people are definitely trying to sort this thing, even though I definitely would not recommend sorting it. To me, one thing that does kind of stick out is that this is impulsive and this is kind of a slow move up. Could be making like either a running or an expanding. If it's a running, it definitely could go down, make a higher low, and then continue up towards that 78%. If it's an expanding, then it could possibly go down and make a lower high, and then back up. But for me personally, I really am still recommending longs because even though it does look like this is possible, it definitely looks like we are due for a pullback. It does not have to do any of that. It could literally just go down a little bit and then right back up. The trend is heavily up on the higher time phase, and the trend is definitely your friend when you're in a wave three, like I believe we are. Going on to the pound dollar, we got to zoom out quite a ways on the pound dollar. Let's squish our scale down a little bit because the next Fibonacci level on the pound dollar is also the 78%, which it may end up coming back down, retesting this, but I think we need to continue to be pretty bullish on the dollar pairs. There's really no reason to think otherwise. This is definitely an uptrend. Even on the 1 hour time frame, there's no reason to think that we should be going short. It does look like it's due for a pullback. I do not disagree with that. I do disagree that there's really any reason to go short though, because it doesn't have to go down now whatsoever. It could literally just keep on going up. I definitely am recommending longs, even if it does start to move down. I definitely am still recommending longs in an uptrend, 100%, really on all the dollar pairs. And moving on to gold. Gold has been pretty slow going, I think, probably because of the Ukraine-Russia talks of agreement that have been going on. If that does go through, I think there is a good chance gold will go down pretty strong. I do still think this is a wave A. I think this is a wave B, like a WXY, a B. I still think that maybe it will drift down a little because it does kind of look like it's in a correction and then potentially up again. I would take it to at least the 78%, but it could go even further than that. It could go up to the 88%, which is right around the 2940 area. So I'm definitely still very bullish on gold. Even if it does go down, it's probably just likely another ABC correction within an uptrend. But just like the other dollar pairs, it really doesn't even have to do that. It could potentially just keep on drifting up towards the 78%, 88% before we really do get that bigger push to the downside. Because I still think that gold is going to go down for a wave C. I still think this is an A, a B, and then down for a wave C, and before we make a wave 5. I still think gold is going to go down to about the $2,800 area, potentially before we really do get another big push to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.